dokie, so that's a little chord jumps for you, and the chord jumps set you up for the whole chapter. We have the primary chords in chapter 9. You've actually done these. I didn't want to ruin the surprise for you, but these are actually something that we've been doing a lot of. So, the 1 chord you've done a million times, the tonic or the C chord, and the 5/7 chord you've done a lot in chapter, what is it, chapter 6 or something. We learned that, you believe me. We learned that 5/7 chord looking like this. So that 1 and the 5/7 chord are already there. And that's that one and that one. We're going to add one more to it. Easy one, a 4 chord. The 4 chord looks like this usually. You're going to learn that on the next page. But let me explain the theory behind it. The 4 chord is the 4th note of the scale. So we're basically building chords off of the notes of the scale. So in our C scale, we learned that there's 7 letters in the C scale. Each one of those letters can have a chord built off of it. And they're either named that or the number in which they are in the scale. So build a chord off of C, that's called a C chord, or a 1 chord in the key of C. You can build a chord off of the 2 and the 3, but we're going to skip to the 4. So C, D, E, F. So 4 notes up in the C scale is F. We could build a chord off that. It's called an F chord, or a 4 chord. We're going to call that just a 5 for now. I'll explain the 7 in a second, but I've done it a million times, so you can check that videos out. The 5th note of the scale is G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're basically making a G chord. And they call it a G7 because we add a note 7 notes up from G. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And that's what that is. So a G chord with an F is a 5/7 or a G7 chord. Alright, enough of me talking. Play a little bit of your chord jumps. That's all those chords I just explained. Write your chords down and check out the Lazy Chord Blues.